Welcome back to our channel, and we are live. Dutch Blockchain Week Summit, 2 days, Johan Cruijff ArenA, bringing you the most interesting people sitting right there, what they have to say about the crypto space, how we're going to be moving in the next quarter, how we prepare for the next quarter, and how we grow, how we lead adoption. And this is interview number 15 or 16, so I hope you're using the playlist function to make sure you watch every single video that we made so we can keep making more. So share this video, comment, and like. And you know something? Let me try and say this name as best as possible.
Yeah.
Beatriz.
Perfect. Yeah, that's it. That's
There
it.
you go. I said it perfectly.
Yeah.
Beatriz is from ClearBank.
Yeah, that's it.
And you know something? If you don't know what they do, is they give financial institutions the bottom layer to be able to function. And the way she said it was beautifully. They are the bridge between traditional finance and decentralized finance, bringing it together. So when you get someone sitting right here to talk about ClearBank, you gotta wonder. First
Yeah.
things first, thank you for giving us the time. Thank you for being here.
No worries. Yeah.
And you know, you are now in Amsterdam as well.
Yeah, I'm based in Amsterdam. Yeah, yeah.
You're based in Amsterdam. So moving forward, your product, the ClearBank product, how has it changed over the last year?
Poof, a lot. Like I think ever since we got the banking license from DNB, like the Dutch banking license, I think the European expansion started. And obviously there was a team that was formed. I also joined a year later. And the product has gone from the main SEPA connectivity, obviously, the main Dutch accounts, to go into multi-currency now also soon. And now we got the MiCAR license in May, which is like, I think we're the first or second only bank that have also a MiCAR license,
Yes.
which is great because we have a partnership with Circle and we can provide like stablecoin wallets.
You said that too quickly.
Yeah, okay.
You have a partnership with?
Circle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what does that allow you to do?
Yeah, well, it allows us to stay on the fiat side, but go to the stablecoin side. So we are now able to serve crypto companies, MiCAR licensed companies, and we can provide them with banking infrastructure. It's great.
Now, when someone actually comes up to you and say, okay, I am a financial institution on the crypto side,
Yeah.
what product can you give to me to allow me to grow? What would your answer be?
Yeah, I would say obviously like with the appropriate license, etc., we can offer you like a stablecoin wallet, so then you can have access to the stablecoin, and then we give you the minting and the burning with fiat, and then we can hold your fiat accounts all through, and we give you SEPA instant connectivity all across Europe. So that's very interesting. Then we also have the UK bank. So we also give you access at some point if you want to expand to the UK as well. And in the roadmap, it's also to expand to the US at some point. So
Okay.
yeah, it's quite interesting.
Now, as a bank,
Yeah.
you are kind of tied to all the macro events that are happening.
Yeah.
And it's constantly playing with the worth of money. How do you say from our side as ClearBank, how do you prepare for that?
To all the geopolitical changes as well.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, I think we're doing the right thing. So I think there needs to be players bridging the gap. And I think ClearBank has done a really good job and is doing a really good job getting there and providing this infrastructure. So when there's all these turbulent movements and people also need to do more cross-border payments in a safe and smooth and secure way, they can have the right infrastructure in place. So there's going to be more maybe segregation across the worldwide, and like having a place where you can actually financially put it all together. I think it's quite important.
That's very important. As you
Yeah.
guys keep growing, you basically telling me, hey, the Netherlands is going to be the hub,
Yeah.
and from the hub, we're going to expand.
Yeah.
What are the expansion plans?
Yeah, so there's been a Paris opening. So there's an
Oh.
office now in Paris.
Just so you know, we were not invited.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. We were not invited to the
they're-
Paris opening.
Yeah, well, then they have to be invited for the next
I
event
hope
in
so.
Paris. Yeah. So next event in Paris, we count with you. And they're also taking care of Southern Europe.
Okay.
So Spain, obviously, Italy, Greece. So we passported into all the countries, apart from, I think, one or two that are still pending. So we can really offer our services all across Europe now.
Okay. So as you guys are trying to expand, how do you make sure that your product doesn't degrade? because that's what happens with a lot of projects, a lot of companies, a lot of banks. Hey, they grow, and as they grow, the quality of the service they give falls back. What are your plans to make sure that as you grow, your quality and service also grows?
Well, I think what I'm noticing is that we keep it really centralized in the Netherlands in Europe. So like like the main core product will stay being in the Netherlands, and then we just passport and offer it in other countries. So we make sure that the quality and the main services are still centralized. So we don't give capabilities to everyone, because then there's where the differences start. So I think I noticed that in ClearBank, that it's all really being centralized, and then we make sure that there's the quality we need, and then we take it somewhere else.
That's very good. So keep
Yeah.
it centralized, make sure the quality is perfect, and then passport it out to
Yeah.
everyone else. Wonderful. So, what is one of those actual products? If I told you, hey, what is a unique selling point of ClearBank, what would you say?
Well, I mean, we're a crypto event, so blockchain event.
Yeah. So
I
focus on
usually-
that.
Exactly. So I have to focus on this, even though we have many. But I would say, really, this stablecoin provision, it's really differentiation from a bank side, and being able to really give this fiat safeguarding and also giving these wallets of stablecoins is really key. Yeah. With NL as well, we have obviously Dutch IBANs, so it's really interesting. Yeah.
Very good. As Europe keeps moving more in the stablecoins direction,
Yeah.
the narrative is going to be stablecoins, stablecoins, stablecoins. What are the preparations that you, as a bank that offer this service, what preparations are you making?
Well, we are making sure that all the players that do need cross-border payments, and when I mean like SWIFT type of payments, they are aware of the stablecoin existence, and that they can really have an alternative, and that they should consider it also on a cost basis, because it's way more efficient and cost efficient. So, yeah, yeah.
Dutch Blockchain Week. What was your first feeling when you walked in here?
It's really cool. Like, I just had a feeling like you are in the future. And also, I really think it's like, sometimes when you're from the banking side, you always like, see more traditional things. And here you really see like people wanting to innovate, to do something really open. Everyone's really open to speak, to collaborate. So I really see a lot of collaboration, actually.
It's very good. So her own perspective on the Dutch Blockchain Week is, A, people are trying to collaborate.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful thing to say, because collaboration is not something that happens every day.
No.
It doesn't happen every day. So the base layer, making it possible to gap traditional finance and decentralized finance, that is what ClearBank is all about, with a new hub right here in Amsterdam, with Beatriz located in Amsterdam. They are going to passport it all out across Europe to keep growing and making it possible that we in crypto have a direct bridge to traditional finance, and traditional finance us to crypto.
Exactly.
Thank you very much for your time.
No worries.
It was a wonderful interview. We got to have a lot of information that we're going to be able to share with everybody else. And trust me, we had a talk before this, and we're going to keep writing more articles, because they need to be heard. And these articles are going to keep coming out so that you can find more information when it comes to ClearBank. We are live right here. We're Cryptofocus, Dutch Blockchain Week Summit at the Johan Cruijff ArenA.